1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah.
Go. Hoy! Oh.
Agay! I'm sorry. Ganong agay?
Guys, sorry.
What again?
Guys, it's so boring. What if we go to the
Mall again? I don't have allowance anymore.
What if we go to the house of the net? What if we go to the house of the net?
Okay, go.
Yo, bro, what's wrong with you?
Can you please stop? I'm not in the mood right now.
Stop.
Bro, chill. Yo, I said stop. Why can't you just leave me alone? What is wrong with you? Bro, chill out.
Blood.
Bro, chill out. Why are you mad? You can.
You wanna act tough by yelling at your friends? Go! Yell at me! Yell at
1, 2, 3, go.
me! The hell did you just call me? Murder.
3, go.
You heard me. Nepo baby. Or was that money?
3, go.
You heard me. Nepo baby. Or was that in money?
Ay, gising na. Makitaan ka. Go.
You think you can buy your father dearest? Can buy you a good personality?
3, go.
You think you're so high up there just because I am.
Go.
Guess what? You don't. No amount of money can.
Go. Sige, hug. I-hug niya. Muhag po ka, Ragal. Yung nakita ko. I-hug. Ayos sa i-hug back, ha?
I'm sorry.
Sige, i-hug. Pero, nyaya sa i-hug back. Pistig, i-hug back.